What's good, everybody? It's Nate Matthews from NeverDeniMe.com. Before I forget, I want to let you guys know if you're looking for any grooming related products, go to the website grooming.neverdeniMe.com. Shows you guys everything that I use, and just about all of the stuff on that website, by the way. There is a video attached to it right here on this YouTube channel. So if you guys want to know, tutorials on how to get yourself right, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a slight review. This is just the first part of the review because we're not going to actually use it today. But I did go ahead and order this. This is an LED self-hairdressing mirror. So again, it's one of those mirrors that have three in one mirrors, like the self-cut systems that are out there. Only this one is way more affordable. This thing actually tricked me though. This is exactly what I ordered. But when I received it, I got excited and thought they sent me something a little extra. As you guys can see, it says there's an LED or something like that. So it has lights or whatever on it. However, when I looked at the side of the box, it did go ahead and break my heart and tell me I got the one with no LED, which is actually the one I ordered. So I just thought they either made a mistake or just felt like hooking your boy up. And apparently, the joke was on me. They said, nah, play it. That's extra if you want the light. But who cares, right? Because I got lights in the bathroom. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what the quality is like. We're gonna see the weight on it and how easy it is to install on the door. I believe you can hang this not only on the door, but you can just hang it on the wall as well, like nail it to the wall or whatever, but we ain't doing all that. So not much in the box. Toss that to the side. We have some instructions here. Instructions, verify if it has an LED or not, which again this one does not. You want to pause the video, look at the instructions for the setup, or you could just watch me figure it out on my own, right? Because I'm a genius. We don't need to read the instructions, or maybe we do, but we always want to see if we could do it without the instructions first. So it's definitely got some weight to it, that's what I can say. To start, it is a plastic casing. You guys can see it's semi shiny, more on the matte side than the shiny side, but it still has a little reflection there. I'm glad it looks like they stuffed it with some foam to keep it from breaking, in addition to wrapping up the mirror with some plastic film. Now the way I seen it on the website is, in addition to opening it all the way, it says this part right here is covered. You can actually just set this up, you can actually just set this up just like this, like on a desk, and just look straight in the mirror or whatever if you want to. And let's see, where are the clips at? Okay, so it's cool, it's built in. I was thinking that was going to be a separate piece that you have to hang on the door and then grab this and then hang this on that. But it does look like those clips are actually on here. Now let's figure out how to open it though. Now if I break this, we deleting this video and we're gonna act like it was shipped to us like this. You hear me? Just kidding. Can't be doing that though. But alright, so we'll close it back up for now. And this is what it looks like, again, a close-up as I'm trying to figure this out. Do I just lift it from the top? That's what it looks like. How about that? Yep. Told you I was gonna figure it out. Okay, so it opens up, and then after it's open, I believe you can just pop these out to the side. All right. Now, this feels like quality. However, these rods do not feel like quality. It feels like you can easily maybe bend them. So make sure you don't drop this at all while they're extended, because once they break, I'm pretty sure no, you'll still have a backup. Even if this thing breaks, you can still hang it up in here. There's like a little slot with empty space up in there, so you could put a hook and just hang it on the wall or whatever you want to do. But we're going to use it the intended way and see if we can do it like this. So let's open this, and I'm wondering if it'll even fit in this doorway, which it doesn't. It doesn't even close up at the top, so that's unfortunate. So we might have to do it a different way for us, because it does not close all the way. There's not enough clearance. So how are we supposed to hang this on the door if it doesn't fit within the door. Okay, so we can forget that plan. And I might have a different thing I could do though. Hold on. So we're gonna use a towel hanger, and we're gonna see if we can ghetto rig this. So we'll open this, center that, and that closes in the door. So that's the first downside to this. Chances are it's not gonna fit in your door because this fits perfectly. This, however, does not. Pretty sure I can't hang this right here because these are separate. But let's see if I can close it a little bit. And see if I can somehow put this in here. Alright, so it looks like it works, but I'd probably have to close it some more. I don't know. It fits over. Nah. It's not working as intended, guys. It's not working as intended. But y'all can see it enough for this little demo, but I just gonna have to, you know, squat down even more to see. We can open it up and we can see it's lopsided and stuff like that. So again, without us even having a place to put this, it's not gonna work very well, but it does stand up. Should I take the film off now? I don't even know if I'm gonna take the film off because I'm not gonna use it just yet, but we are gonna work this situation out and see where I can actually hang this, but I think this is a good angle. For those of you who are absolutely clueless and still watching this video, by the way, this is a three-way mirror where you can look at yourself and shave your head, cut your head, whatever like that, and not have to worry about holding, you know, another mirror, or you're, you know, shaving the back of your head or something like that. Instead of doing all that, you can just turn to the side, point this mirror at this mirror, and you'll be able to see everything all in one. So that is the purpose and the intent of this. Now, you guys that have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you might be wondering, why did I get this when, you know, things like this have been out for a very long time and I never needed one? Well, oh, by the way, look, I just found these. So these, it comes with the door hangers as well. I didn't see that because they were stuck in the little thing. So that's cool. So I guess we will figure this out. But the reason, like I said, I got this is because we're going to be making some other videos, guys. I just got a product from Wahl. So if you want to see what's in this box from Wahl, stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Peace.